Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you a story of the dog and the bone. So let's start it. One day a dog found a bone on the road. The dog picked the bone up and the dog started to walk. The dog decided he will eat the bone all up in his cozy house. Just when he was going to his house, he met some other dogs. The dog said, "Cut your bone and give some of your bone to us." "Never!" roared the dog, and the dog took the bone away from them. So he started to walk to his house. He lives by a river, so he has to cross the bridge. He was crossing the bridge. The dog saw that another dog was in the river and the dog had a bone. The dog decided to get that dog his bone as well because the dog was very greedy. The dog started barking at the other dog. Suddenly his bone fell out of his mouth and the bone fell in the river. Then the dog realized that it was his own reflection and off he went without a bone. We get a lesson from this story that we must never ever be greedy and we must be happy from what we have. We take care of our things. This is the end. Tomorrow I'll come up with new story. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.